We'll begin by inserting rows and columns using the headers. I'll right-click on row heading 4 and select Insert from the menu. I could also use the shortcut keys Ctrl-Shift and plus to insert a row between rows 1 and 2. Next, I'll right-click on column B and select Insert from the menu. Again, using shortcut keys Ctrl-Shift and plus I can insert a column to the left of D. We'll delete rows and columns using the headers. I'll delete row 4. Right-click on row 4 heading and select Delete. I'll delete row 2 using the Ctrl and minus keys. Similarly, I'll delete column B. Right-click column B heading and select Delete from the menu. I could also select column B then hit the Ctrl and minus keys to delete the column. Contiguous and non-contiguous row and column selection. Contiguous means sharing a common border. Contiguous row selection. Click first row in the source range. Hold down the Shift key then click the last row. Contiguous column selection. Click first column in the source range. Hold down the Shift key then click the last column. Non-contiguous row selection. Click first row in the source range. Hold down the Control key then click each additional row for selection. Non-contiguous column selection. Click first column in the source range. Hold down the Control key then click each additional column for selection. Copy and paste contiguous and non-contiguous rows and columns. Copy contiguous rows. Click first row of source heading. Hold Shift key and click last row. Hit Ctrl and C keys to copy. Click on cell target row. Hit Ctrl and V keys to paste. Non-contiguous row copy. Click on first row in source selection. Hold Ctrl key and click on additional rows. Hit Ctrl and C keys to copy. Select target row. Hit Ctrl and V keys to paste. Contiguous column copy. Click on first column in source selection. Hold to Shift key and click the last column. Hit Ctrl and C keys to copy. Click target column. Hit Ctrl and V keys to paste. Non-contiguous column copy. Click on first column in source selection. Hold down Ctrl key and click additional columns. Hit Ctrl and C keys to copy. Click target column. Hit Ctrl and V keys to paste. Move or copy row and column data to other locations using the Insert Copied Cells command. I'll cut row 4 out and insert it before row 7. Select row 4 and hit the Ctrl and X keys to cut. Then right-click on row 7 and select Insert Copied Cut Cells from the menu. I'll do the copy process for the columns. Select column B and hit the Ctrl and C keys to copy. Then right-click on column E and select Insert Copied Cells from the menu. Resize row height and column width using the menu or dragging the heading borders. I'll begin by changing the row height. Right-click target row and select row height from menu. Change the value and click OK. You could also drag the row border using the mouse to change the row height. Again, you could drag the column border using the mouse to change column width. Finally, you can double-click on the heading border to automatically resize to widest data held in column cell.